Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a moving background for your logo on CapCut. So select a moving background. I just chose this one from the CapCut stock videos. So I'm just going to press overlay, add overlay, and I'm going to select the picture that has the logo, and I'm just going to press add, and I'm going to sort of zoom in on the picture too. I'm also going to trim the end right here, so press split and delete. Select the logo, and you are going to go to chroma key, and I'm just going to choose the black part of the logo. Turn the intensity up to 100, but also enable the shadow so the logo comes back like so. And that is basically it. You can just move this around too. If it's too big, you can move it here so you can see the heart shape, as you can see. So that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!